friends, this is The Robin's Nest by Terry, and this is Declutter My Space. Terry is working on decluttering her garage, and the host of this collaboration is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Check out their channel in the description box and the playlist for more decluttering ideas. Grab your drink, grab your snack, and let's see what Terry has to get rid of today.
Okay, let me show you while we unpack the garage. So I totally forgot about all these bobbins I had bought somewhere. Don't even know where. Look at the great big ones. I will be saving these for our vintage sale next time we do one on the marketplace. But I don't even know why I bought those. I remembered them after my husband took the lid off of buying them. But at one time, do you guys remember when it was really popular to take things like this and make the yard bugs out of them? You know, they'd put like wings on the spindles, make them into dragonflies. That's why we've got this stainless steel stuff in here. Those would be good drinking bowls for the cats. But everything is so full of sawdust. And then got some brass candlesticks. So, I'm pretty happy to find all these. I'll be selling those soon. This, I don't know why I ever bought it, but it's going in the garage sale. There's my corner brackets for my grid wall, which I've been looking for. And look what else I got. I don't know how this appeared in the garage. We were just talking about it on my live. So, just have to take that, clean it up, and put gingerbread and cocoa on it. And then over here, you guys see what my husband's thrown away. Oh, this was something I bought that I had done. Remember when the stars were popular? Oh, that's that wood one. Oh, he was going to make those, but there were so many different cuts on that one. I don't know if that thing could be salvaged or not. Anyway, this is just all of his garbage that's going to dump day. Oops. These are things that he would put birdhouses on, and then you just stick them in the ground. Hey, can you turn that off a minute? I don't know what we got machetes for. But lots of those. And then look, in here, I thought I was going to be the pumpkin queen at one time. These are all already cut. See, and they're in different sizes, already painted orange. That not getting good reception. Look at all the insulators. These are the nice blue ones too. And they're in a really nice chicken egg wire basket, which is even better. Those.
Right there.
Huh?
More.
More what?
Insulators.
More insulators?
Yeah, right there.
Holy cow. That is. So look at them all down there. This is wax because I was going to be a candle maker at one time, and I've got a huge candle melting pot. So those are all
100 pounds of wax.
100 pounds of wax right there.
Well, the 2 packets.
And then concrete I gotta get rid of. Tons of patterns. Oh, those are all patterns. Candy cane back there. How many more insulators?
But we're not getting rid of those.
We need to get rid of some license plates.